Hello everyone, this is the next video in this series highlighting my HO locomotive collection. Today I have out the Norfolk Southern fleet. This is the first time I've had all of them out of the box or off the shelf or off the layout and in one place at the same time. This is the second biggest collection I own. It's rivaled only by the Pennsylvania Railroad locomotives. But I figured we're getting to the end of the collection, so now we're going to get into the meat and potatoes. I started collecting Norfolk Southern probably around 2012 when they did the Heritage locomotives. And I haven't really stopped, as you can see. So the first 9 locomotives here are painted in the heritage schemes of the Pennsylvania Railroad, Conrail, Monongahela, Norfolk and Western, Lehigh Valley, Nickel Plate Road, Interstate, Original Norfolk Southern, Central of Georgia. These are all Intermountain ES44 ACs, and the only thing different between them is some have sound, some don't. The next one in the Southern Railroad paint scheme is a Broadway Limited Paragon 4. And then we get into the next 10 locomotives, which are all Athearn Genesis SD70 ACEs. We'll start off on this end with the Savannah Atlanta, the Virginian, the Reading, the Delaware Lackawanna and Western, or the Lackawanna, the Erie, the Penn Central, the New York Central, the Central Railroad of New Jersey, the Illinois Terminal, and the Wabash. We then have the special locomotive Norfolk Southern did for the celebration at Spencer there. You can see it has the 2 different number boards on it. It's also an SD70 ACE. And our next locomotive is an old Cotto-9. Next to it is a brand new Athearn Genesis 2.0-9 that I just got. Next to that is another -9, but it's a C40. Then we have a Athearn Genesis ES44 DC. And next to that is another Intermountain. This is a ES44 ET with the different radiator grills. Next we have an Athearn Genesis SD70 ACU. And next to that, an Athearn Genesis SD80 Mac. We have a Scale Trains SD40-2 and a little MP15 DC Atlas switcher on the end. That's about it for this video. We are now at the end of the collection, and I have one more video to shoot highlighting the Pennsylvania Railroad locomotives. So stay tuned, and that's all for today.